Hello everybody, my name's Alpha Nephilim and welcome back to Let's Play Dust. Okay, so we were chasing some kind of little tiny gremlin looking thing. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on! Ah! You dick! Ah. That was my fault. Getting 1,000 hit chain is gonna be harder than I thought. Ow.
What is this?
Poison.
You've been poisoned!
When you're poisoned, your life slowly drains down to nothing. If you don't take care of it soon, death is inevitable.
Wait, you mean it's not gonna wear off?
Probably just wait it out.
Stop pretending, you're so tough! Here, take this mushroom. It'll stop the poison for now. You can thank me later.
I'm not gonna take it now. Okay. Okay, so poison in this game doesn't just wear off on its own. It's interesting. There's something up there. Come on. Okay, so I gotta get my butt back up here. Come on. No, I kinda hope I don't have to deal with any more Moonbloods. I mean, I know I kinda got angry and ripped Fuse a new one, but I kinda feel bad for him. Nope. Not gonna let me drop. Poisoned again. These things are hard to avoid. I'm sure my fire would do very well against them. Oh, there's the guy!
Wait!
Oh, he dropped a mushroom.
Let's follow him.
I probably gotta go wherever I'm finding loot dropped. Ooh! 3D layering! know how Dust does that. I mean, he catches them with his foot somehow. And then just slams them down. This is an awesome move. Level up! Okay, I'm actually going to level Fidget up. Okay. Which, of course, gives me an extra boost to all my other stuff. Actually, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to, with each level, I'm going to slowly fill up all the stuff. Hang on, wasn't done. Wasn't done looking at that. Okay, nothing here. I'm going to just boost all my stuff up to the highest I can. Then put a point into Fidget. And boost everything else. Alright, come on. Okay, so you're telling me this guy wasn't down here? Ugh. Oh, where is he? Accidental combo. Mysterious wall chicken. Okay, so there actually is nothing down here. This is not the way I was supposed to go. Which means I gotta get back out of here. And find a way back up. I love the texturing and the art style, how these platforms work. Come on! I'm getting a little bit better at chaining all that together. I really want to get that 1,000 hit combo. Probably won't get it until like towards the end of the game though. Oh! Oh, I missed one. Come on. Come on. Alright, come on. There's the little guy. Oh, wrong thing. Come on. Keep this beautiful combo going. 500 hits. Keep it going. 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 Keep more enemies. More enemies. Keep it going. Keep it going. Ah, 735 hits. I'm gonna get there someday. It might not take nearly as long as I thought. I just need to get enough enemies going. Ah! Damn that enemy and his weakness. Ah. Come on, give me an entire army of enemies to work with. Okay, one of them got me and silenced Fidget. I'm leveling up fast! I wish I could just leave Fidget's strength as she is. I mean, she's not very powerful. That means I can just hammer away at enemies repeatedly with her ability, and that'll rack up insane combos without having to worry about killing them. Damn it. Can I get to another one in time? Why are you giving me so many save points?
No! Go away!
I'm not gonna hurt you. Quit dropping food.
There he goes.
Forget him. Take a look around. There's something horribly wrong with these mushrooms.
Oh Jesus!
These
Look at
aren't
those
mushrooms,
things.
Fidget. They are called bubble sprouts, and it would be wise for us to tread lightly around them. They react rather explosively to movement.
Wonderful.
Okay, so there's no way to like sneak past them. I just have to watch out for them. Of course, there's nothing I can do to destroy them or anything like that. Yep. Hit. Come on. You got time for you. Okay, there's no more bubble sprouts, so yeah, I guess I got time for you. Uh oh, more bubble sprouts. And this thing.
There he is! Look, he's in trouble! Ah! Leave me alone!
Picking on little ones, huh? You will most definitely regret meeting me.
Oh hell
Keep
yeah.
wary of the bubble sprouts, Dust. Or this battle will be over before it begins.
Okay. That was annoying.
And there he goes again. You're welcome, kid.
Come now, Dust. He's obviously terrified. Let's go find him. And maybe get out of this raining death.
Good idea. I'm not poisoned, am I? I like the gamer pick. I'm gonna have to go through these and change my gamer pick to something. I want Dust as my pick. Mud pot. Huh. Go ahead and top off with that.
I didn't think those monsters were smart enough to build a fence.
I'm certain they didn't. Let's hop on over.
There he is!
Oh, there he is.
Your
Safe and
father's done
sound.
gonna have himself a heart attack after he hears about this.
I'm sorry, Mama.
Goodness, what would I do if you gotten yourself hurt?
Ah! Mama, look! Those things must have followed me!
How'd they jump my fence? Crafty vermin, those surface dwellers.
Right.
She does see that I can fly, right?
I'll be sure to tell her, Fidget. I'm sure that'll clear things right up.
Back, you beast! I got this here spoon and I ain't afraid to use it!
We aren't here for trouble, ma'am. In fact, we just saved your son.
Huh? What are they talking about, Bobo?
Well, they have been following me for a while.
What? How far out did you go? I may just save the spoon for you.
You're in
I'm
trouble
sorry,
now,
I
kid.
just came down from the surface to...
Do I look like some country bumpkin to you? Of course you're from the surface. I think I'd remember
You sound
seeing
like a country
talking,
bumpkin.
flying weasel cat thing
I should
down
know, I'm from the
here.
country.
I think we got off on the wrong foot here. My name's Dust, and this is Fidget. Some creatures attacked a village above these caves, and we're trying to figure out why.
Attacked a surface village, you say? Well, if that don't beat all. We underground folk tend to keep to ourselves. Got enough problems of our own already.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Actually, what I'm saying is, We got enough problems of our own without you surface folk bringing all that nonsense down here. So, if you don't mind...
Come on, Dust. We're obviously not wanted here. Wait!
That's enough, Bopo! You ought to get back to your chores before I take out the spoon again!
You've already got the spoon.
Mama, I've seen them fight. They even got themselves a talking sword. I bet they could help.
Young man, I don't care if their sword spouts rainbows and bowls of delicious baked beans. I don't want their help.
Saying that! I was gonna die if we
Sounds
don't
kind
do
of
something.
cool.
Die?
Like something from Adventure
What's going
Time.
on?
Well, our healing wells have gone and run dry. And my pa's done gotten real sick. That's why I went out. To find some more of that water.
I hate saying it, but it's true. See these mud pots lying around? Normally they're bubbling to the brim with mineral water, but just a few weeks ago, they dried up to nothing.
Oh, that's not good.
That still don't excuse you from putting yourself in danger like that! I may not be able to help your father, but I sure as heck ain't gonna lose you too!
Mama.
I wonder if those monster attacks on the surface could be related to your wells drying up.
I wouldn't be
Probably.
at all surprised. It's been a couple weeks since the water dried up, but every creature here is feeling the effects. I'll bet those creatures broke through to the surface looking for more water.
Mama, maybe these two can go talk to the lady.
The lady.
Lady?
Oh, she's a sweet old soul. Lives deep in the caves, makes the waters flow. She doesn't show herself around here too often, and we can't actually go see her on account of all the nasties living between here and there.
In that case, I'll go speak with this lady and see why she stops the flow of water.
You do that?
This can't all just be a coincidence. The attacks on the surface, your wells drying up. I'm certain this lady must know something about what's going on.
Yeah.
Well then, I had you folks pegged all wrong. If you aim to help my husband, I promise not to clock you with my wooden spoon of justice.
I would thank you kindly for that.
Thanks?
So, you're heading down to talk to the lady now? You'll help my pa?
You betcha.
We'll do our best, Bopo. Just don't go running off again.
You got my word.
Now that I think about it, didn't Ginger say something about water running out?
It's a pretty kitty cat. What? Me? It's a flying cat! Oh.
She's not a cat, little girl. She's a... I don't even know what she is.
What is she?
I'm not a cat, you dolt. I'm a nimbat.
A
Is that what
nimbat?
you're called? A nimbat?
Yes, hello. My name's Fidget. Maybe we've met? Can I hold it? I want it.
I want it too. She's mine.
It's trying to grab me with its little child hands.
Don't worry, Fidget. Sorry, what's your name?
Moa.
Well, Smobop, I'm sorry, but as much as she might look like one, Fidget is not a toy.
Hey. Ooh, I
She's
want
an
her. She
adorable
comes.
little nimbat.
I'll trade you. Look, I've got this box thing. Hey, Dust, look. That must be Reed's box.
Well, that's convenient.
Tell you what, next time I go to the surface, I'll see if I can find a suitable replacement. Then we'll trade.
Phew. Good idea, Dust. You know, that shop in Aurora had some things. Maybe the shopkeeper could figure something out for us?
Maybe.
Yeah, maybe you can make us some kind of fidget doll for her. After all, she's far too young to take care of a pet like you.
I'm not.
Yeah, way too much responsibility for... Hey!
Too friggin' cute.
Well, howdy there, big fella. Am I hearing the local gossip right? You and your flying mongoose are gonna save our village?
What the heck is a mongoose?
Quiet, Fidget. And yes, you've heard correctly. Is this the way to the ladies' chamber?
Well, yeah, but I don't think you're gonna fit through this here hole in the wall. We had to close up the passage recently to keep those crazed nematodes from coming out and attacking the village.
Which ones are the nematodes?
Heck is a nematode?
Anyway, seems to me the only way you're getting through is by sliding. I'd kick you through myself, but you know, I got these fat little legs, and they hardly keep me vertical.
I appreciate the thought, but I'll find another way around.
Here, boy, take this red resonance gem. It'll open up the basement, and maybe you'll find a better way down there. Just make sure to avoid impaling yourself on them spiky rocks and thorns.
I'm glad I read one.
Your underground cave has a basement? How does that make any sense?
Hey, big fella, what do you say to me serving your flying rat a big old jug of shut-up juice? While you're down there, why don't you make yourself useful and collect me my hitting stick?
Your what?
You see, I use this here stick to do my hitting, but I lost her in the basement, and I'm honestly just too gal darn lazy-like to go looking for it on my own. They don't have me standing around here for my good looks after all. Someone's
But
got
you
to
got
defend
a
this here
stick.
hole.
All right, Blob. If I should come across your hitting stick, I'll be sure to pick it up.
Well, if that's not your hitting stick, what is it? See what's up here. Oh! I'm not going for combos. He's a widow sheep! Wait. Gabby sheep.
Wait, did you just...
Hmm?
Did you just put that thing in your inventory?
Fourth wall.
Yeah? What?
Okay then.
What? You got a problem with me putting a sheep in my inventory? I need this sheep. For sheep reasons. Okay, I need to find some bomb fruit. Okay, first thing I'm gonna do. I believe this is where the shop is. I'm gonna get that doll for the girl. Then I'm gonna go back to Mud Pot.
Welcome back.
You have any children's stories?
Do you sell children's toys? Or more specifically, Nimbat dolls?
A Nimbat doll? You mean like your flying friend there? I don't believe we have anything like that in stock. But I aim to please. I'm certain I could craft one for you, assuming I had the proper materials. Let me see. With some cotton, fabric, and dye, I'm certain I could make a wonderful Nimbat doll for you.
Do I have that?
I gotta say, Dust, I'm feeling a little uneasy about this whole thing.
What's to feel uneasy about, Fidget? You're adorable.
Yes, you
I
are.
think I might have him make another Fidget doll that I'll just hang on to. Forever.
I don't know you anymore.
Ah, excellent. You've brought all the materials. Would you like me to make wonderful? Now, if your companion will just lie down on this fabric.
Hey, you're not tracing me.
Oh, well, I do need some sort of measurement. We don't see many Nimbats around here.
Here, give me a pen. I'll draw it myself. Okay, there. Done. See how well I've captured every nuance
Aww, she got a cookie!
curve? See? You can use this to measure your doll. It's perfect.
No, it really isn't. Actually, that's
Hey, okay,
the worst
no
drawing
need to
I've
be
ever
mean.
seen.
Just shut up and make this stupid doll.
Okay. Just give me a moment. Some cotton here, a few stitches there.
Maybe a little more cotton up there in the head area? I don't think you're accurately capturing the pure size of Fidget's head.
My head is just fine. You're the ones wearing those stupid hats. Maybe you two could form a stupid hat club.
And voila! Another happy customer.
This needs to be
And I
an
even have
anime,
material
damn
to
it.
Make an extra one.
No, I wasn't expecting to actually get one. I guess I'll just have to carry it around. Forever. I actually feel bad giving one of these ugly things to Smobop, but
Hey.
I'm not talking to you anymore.
And I don't blame you, Fidget. I'd love to have a fidget doll. Where's Ginger? There's Reed. Where's Ginger?
Mosca, I'm afraid I have some bad news.
Oh? Is everything alright?
This
The
sucks.
travel to Denim. It's been burnt to the ground.
What? Oh, no. No, no, no!
But there was a note. It's addressed to you from somebody named Sarahi.
Sarahi? Oh, thank goodness. She must be alive. She must have escaped. Please, let me see it.
What do you think, Mosca?
She mentions a place that only the two of us know about. It's a hidden cove not far from here. Please, Dust, go there and see if she's safe. I'll be following, but I'm no fighter.
If you insist on coming along, be sure to keep your distance.
Yeah, don't want you to get hurt.
When Dust starts swinging that sword, you don't want to be anywhere near him. Have you seen the scream? He just goes.
Oh, I love Fidget more with every fourth wall she breaks. Okay, I need to get a save done here. Okay, should be right down here. Okay, so I'm about to help Mosca on his little lover's quest. And I really hope his girl's okay. Yeah, but I'm pretty sure she is. So till we find out, I'm Alpha Nephilim, and I'll see you in the next video. Later!